Welcome to session number 12 of Should You Do Business with the Government? In this case, we want to talk to you about those products that are manufactured in, let's call them, unfriendly countries. And what I mean by this is there's a law in the books that's called the Buy American Act, and in its simplest terms it says if you're going to provide goods or services to the government, it must be from American sources. You can't use other countries' products. However, the Buy American Act is so full of exceptions that there are actually only very few countries that you cannot provide items to the government. For example, China is not currently on the list of approved countries. Therefore, if you are doing anything where the little sticker says Made in China, you can't give that to the government. And I would advise you against simply taking the sticker off because they can be traced. And if they are found to violate the Buy American Act, you could find your contract terminated for default, and meaning you get no payment for anything you may have provided. The government will return the unqualified products to you. And if you do construction, don't think that you're exempt. Building materials as well must be American made or from a friendly country. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's too complicated to go through in a few minutes here, but generally speaking, if the government already has a treaty or a trade agreement with certain countries, their products generally are okay. There's another law, though, called the Trade Agreements Act that also plays into this. As a result, you can see it gets a little complicated. Therefore, I would encourage you to seek sound advice from someone who understands the intricacies of the Buy American Act and the Trade Agreements Act to make sure that the products you are providing to the government meet all of these requirements. Should you do business with the government? I would say yes, but only once you understand the rules. This has been session 12 in our series. We welcome you back for future episodes.